Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and hope you're doing good. So in this video we are going to discuss about this bike, especially the accessories on the Triumph Speed 400. If you have not seen the previous video where I talk about my first ride impressions of this motorcycle, please do go ahead and see that. This bike is owned by my good friend Rakesh, who is actually helping me record. His YouTube channel name is Ride Nation. I'll link it in the description. You can check it out there. We would just have a rundown of all the accessories starting from the front to the back of the motorcycle. Talk about its looks, advantages and disadvantages, and I'll also discuss with the owner who has been using the motorcycle for a few months now कि उनके advantages क्या है according to the owner. So if you're new to the channel, do subscribe and let's get started with the video. Okay, so let's start with the front of the motorcycle. The first accessories is this extended mudguard. The second are these side lights. And the third are these bar and mirrors. Now we move to the center of the motorcycle where this is an accessory. So is the Sump Guard. And on top we have these tank pads. One of my absolute favorite on the accessories list is the seat. It looks amazing and it is very comfortable. Moving to the rear of the motorcycle, we have this, which I feel is a great addition. It stops all the muck from going to the rear suspension. The side lights continue because they are a pair, and this little thing is also an accessories. So now that we had a rundown of all the accessories on the motorcycle, I'll tell you the top 3 which I like the most. So the first one are these bar and mirrors. They look amazing and the view behind is also pretty great. The second is this seat. Again, it looks amazing and function wise it is also very comfortable. And the third is this Sump Guard, which is necessary on Indian roads as the coolant, the tank for the coolant is right there and it looks like a plastic tank. So having this is a great addition. Now we'll ask the owner which are some of the accessories which he loves on the motorcycle and which are some of the accessories which he doesn't. So this is the owner Rakesh, aka Ride Nation. And bro, which are some of your favorite accessories on the motorcycle? You can list top 3.
So my favorite top 3 accessories will be starting from the third. I like these mirrors. This is like it's a good quality mirror because the stock mirrors are of plastic or fiber. So this is a pretty good quality and it looks good on the motorcycle. So the second favorite will be this mud guard because ये ना बारिश में जो कीचड़ वगैरह है वो यहाँ पे शॉक्स के पास आने से कम्प्लीटली रोकता है. सो आई लव दिस मड गार्ड एंड द फर्स्ट ऑन माई लिस्ट इज ऑब्वियसली द quilted seat, which is also known as the touring seat. This is very comfortable. I have done 1000 plus kilometers ride on this motorcycle and this seat is really very comfortable. You should invest in this seat.
Now let's talk about any 3 accessories which we didn't like. Okay,
Didn't like is
I think the headlight grill is on top of the list, right?
या द हेडलाइट ग्रिल. क्या होता है कि आपने अगर हेडलाइट ग्रिल लगाया तो लाइक उसका ग्रिल्स आपको विजिबल होगा, मतलब रात के टाइम आपको रोड पे ग्रिल्स दिखेगा. दैट्स व्हाई आई रिमूव द ग्रिल एंड
And also I think cleaning is also an issue. Headlight glass clean करने के
वो
लिए.
मैंने निकाल दिया.
Yeah.
सेकेंड थिंग इज दिस मड गार्ड.
Yeah, looks wise.
या लुक्स वाइज इट लिटिल बिट स्पॉइल्स द लुक्स ऑफ द मोटरसाइकिल.
Yeah, because speed is like a nice small motorcycle and वो mud guard उस पे बहुत heavy दिखता है.
या द टायर इसमें लाइक
Correct.
थोड़ा सा चुकता है, सो इसीलिए इट काइंड ऑफ लुक वियर्ड.
Correct. And any other?
नो.
I feel yeah, that's fine. All the other accessories. I feel those are the 2 which didn't cut it for us.
Some people will like
Some-
doing tail tidy on the motorcycle.
Yeah, I am one of those.
Mudguard extender is compulsory on this bike because in rainy season all the mud will come up to here.
Correct.
So
But then normal summers mein I think you can rock a tail tidy.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, so that's about it for the accessories on the Triumph Speed 400. What we liked, what we didn't like, everything's there. If you have any other questions, do drop them in the comment section below. Bro, any other feedbacks on the motorcycle? You can check it out on his channel,
Yeah.
Ride Nation. And if you have not seen the first ride impressions video which I had put, you can check it out in the description as well. About the prices of the accessories, I'll link them in the description or in the comment section. You can check them out there. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and peace out.